Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this device we do not have this option shown directly in the section connected with the updates. We have to actually turn on the advanced mode to be able to do that. But of course I'll show you all of the steps. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. So let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and go to device identifiers, and here we've got something called build number. So all you have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. It should appear right here. Moreover, if you've got the screen lock applied, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So no worries, it's a regular step. Your device simply needs the confirmation that you want to activate this advanced mode. So after that, we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to System. Now let's tap on Developer Options, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher here, and basically since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So your device will simply apply the updates, of course, if the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.